For all of you Tissot Prx lovers out there, I have some great news for you. Whilst doing my daily looking at watches to buy that I don't need, I came up across a very shocking discovery. It has been leaked that Tissot may be releasing two new variations of the Prx Quartz and Powermatic 80. We have one in two-tone rose gold and another in full yellow plated gold. In today's video, I will show you what is new about these rumor releases and how I managed to find out. If these leaks are in fact true, Tissot would once again be the talk of the town with these new Prx models. But before I show you guys, I just want to make sure that what I'm saying has not been officially introduced by Tissot and it has the possibility to just be a myth. And another thing, the specifications that I found comes from a Dutch website, so please forgive me for that. The first one I'm going to talk about is the new Powermatic 80 with an 18 karat rose gold two-tone construction. This release seems more believable as there is already a range of Tissot style pictures which are the same as the other Powermatic 80 models. There are two main differences about this new PRX. One, the bezel, and two, the dial. The fluted bezel, which is an 18 karat rose gold, is a very nice touch and makes the piece look a bit more fancy, whilst also giving it a slight Rolex Datejust vibe. Tissot have already released different models in an 18 karat gold rose bezel, such as the Gentleman, which is another flagship line for the brand. So it's reasonable to see this type of release be confirmed. The other difference is the luxurious brown Sunburst dial, which contrasts very nicely with the rose gold bezel and is a big thumbs up for those who wanted to buy a PRX Powermatic 80 without that AP Royal Oak style dial. The price has not been confirmed yet, but since there is 18 karat rose gold, I believe the price would probably increase another couple $100. Everything else though will remain the same as the movement, case and bracelet are identical to the other models. The second one is a more recent and is a little more skeptical as there is a lack of photos. It has been rumoured that Tissot will release a unisex / women's quartz model. The main differences with this version are the case size changes and the overall build. The first one is that the case will be 35mm, which is a perfect size for both men and women with smaller wrists. Many have complained that the PRX is just a little too big and chunky, but this 35mm version will be the perfect fit and I think will sell out very quick. The second feature is that the entirety of the watch will be cased in PVD coated gold, which is a bold contrast to the more toned down stainless steel versions. This would be perfect for those who like to match gold jewellery and would be a nice little alternative to some of the more vintage gold Patek Nautiluses and AP Royal Oaks out there. Once again, the price has not been confirmed, but the new gold coating may make the price a little more expensive than the other quartz models. Other than those new features, everything else will remain the same. Now the important part, where did I find all of this out? While I was looking for watches online, I came across this Dutch online jeweler which turns out to be a reputable watch dealer with pretty solid reviews. I then went to the PRX section and was amazed to see these rogue PRX models which have not been released yet. After doing a bit of Google translating, I found the specifications and details which helped me provide you guys with the information. This may not be 100% confirmed yet, but it is not uncommon for smaller branded watchmakers like Tissot to accidentally leak some of their new models, which also happened with the original release of the PRX Powermatic 80. So fingers crossed that these Tissot models actually get released, as I think they are a very nice addition to the PRX collection. If you want to see more PRX related content, please click the videos on the screen right now and subscribe to this channel to see more updates. Also, make sure you comment down below your thoughts on this new leaked release and whether or not you guys think it will happen. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and hopefully I will see you in another video.